Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number 801A. This is a mill finish aluminum sill extension is what this is. And what that really means is this is just an L angle. It has some grooves or flutes on both faces. This is used to simply dress off a sill, is what it is. You might have a residential condition that you have anything, an adjustable oak top threshold, aluminum saddle type, interlocking, whatever the case might be, but your sill is larger than the width of the threshold. So some people will use a construction adhesive and simply attach a sill like this right on down and make it look clean and presentable. Or it might help to otherwise bring some integrity back to a sill that's been worn over time, etc. The 801 is representative of this profile. The A means that this is in mill aluminum finish. You can also get this in a D finish, which is a dark brown from Dorbin. This item specifically is 2 3/4 wide, 1.5 inches tall. Okay, undrilled. There's no screws or countersinks or any holes that are supplied with this. That can be done should you need, but keep in mind that material thickness is quite thin. You might need to prep the underside of that hole a little bit as well to receive the screw, but that can be accomplished if you have need for that. So just let us know what you might want us to do. Variety of lengths, everywhere from 2 foot to 4 foot. 2 foot to 8 foot are in the site. If you have need for a custom length, by all means just order the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is the material, like I said earlier, is relatively thin, although not flimsy by any stretch. It might be difficult for you to cut this and at least cut it cleanly, at least when it's cut from the factory. And by the way, this is just a 6-inch sample piece that we're working on here. It might be difficult for you to cut it. At least when the factory cuts it, they'll get a relatively clean cut out of it. Okay. The name Dorbin is synonymous with weather stripping, and quite frankly, I'm partial to Dorbin, and it's because, well, a variety of things. First of all, they have industry-leading shipping lead times. They have excellent customer service and technical support. They have a very concise, consolidated footprint of what they do, and they do that very well. The saying to me once many years ago is figure out what you can do and sell the you-know-what out of it. And that's what Dorbin does. They focus and they do it very well. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full-line Dorbin catalog. And if you are looking for zinc or bronze weather stripping for original double-hung windows, Dorbin is the place for that. They have the offering of that material, and you'll find that in the rear of their catalog. If you have any questions on the Dorbin 801A mill finish aluminum sill extension, and by the way, Dorbin also has their 800A and 800D for that matter. Same concept, just 4-inch wide. So basically what Dorbin is doing to make the 801, they're taking the 800 and they're literally ripping it down. I can tell that they've done that here. That's how they're accomplishing the 801 version. Any questions on the 801A mill aluminum finish sill extension or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.